Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting a clean QR image and a ready composition in Alight Motion. This avoids blurry scans. Import the PNG and place it centered. Once done, duplicate the QR layer twice so you have one matte, one base, one glow. Make sure to name layers: base, matte, glow. You do this because separation lets you control sharp scanning contrast versus the soft illumination. Now lock the base. Next, prepare the matte to isolate the code edges for accurate glow masking. Now you'll craft the luminous halo. On the matte copy, convert the QR to a solid mask. Use fill plus threshold or mask from alpha so the glow follows the exact QR shape. Once done, select the glow layer and add Gaussian blur. Increase until edges soften but remain scannable. Change its blend mode to add or screen to brighten without blocking the code. Make sure to animate opacity or blur radius with 2 keyframes so the light breathes. This gives life while preserving scannability. Finish by balancing visibility. The base layer must remain high contrast so QR scanners work. Once done, tweak matte levels to avoid washed whites. Export a test frame or short clip and immediately scan with your phone. This verifies the effect in real conditions. If the scanner fails, make sure to reduce blur, lower glow opacity, or narrow the mask so the black modules return to crisp edges. Remember, a faint, controlled glow reads better than an overwhelming flare. Adjust and re-export until
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.